Today I am going to prepare a garlic cheese bread. For that, first we need to activate yeast. Here I have taken a cup. In that, add 1 teaspoon sugar, add 1 teaspoon dry yeast, and add 1/4 cup warm water. Water should be warm, not hot. Remember that. So it's very important to use warm water. The hot water might kill the yeast. Mix gently and cover this and keep it aside for about 15 minutes to activate yeast. To prepare dough for a garlic bread, here I have taken 1 cup of wheat flour. To this add 1/4 teaspoon salt and add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano. Here you can see our yeast activated properly. Remember, if the yeast doesn't get activated properly, don't use it because that will not give a nice garlic bread. Stir it well. And add this to flour. Mix everything well. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of water. Mix it. Now you can see the dough should be sticky like this. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see the dough is not sticky anymore. Put it in a bowl. Cover it with some oil applied so that the surface doesn't dry out. And cover the dough and keep it aside in a warm place. Still this dough rise and doubles. Keep it aside for about 2 hours. Meanwhile, we'll prepare butter mixture for our garlic bread. For that, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Here I am using salted butter. It should be a room temperature. To this, add 1 tablespoon crushed garlic and 2 tablespoons chopped coriander. Mix everything well. So this is done. Keep aside. Now our dough has risen and I am going to remove air from the dough. So sprinkle some wheat flour on top of dough. Knead it for a couple of seconds. And now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once again knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. My dough became more soft for garlic bread. Now sprinkle some wheat flour and you need to roll it like chapati or roti. You have to roll it thicker than chapati or roti. Now apply the butter mixture which we had prepared. Spread it evenly all over. Here I have taken 100 grams of mozzarella cheese and 1 cheese cube. So put this grated mozzarella cheese on one side because we will folding this garlic bread into 2. So put alternate layer of mozzarella cheese and processed cheese. Put in one layer and bit processed cheese the way I am doing. And now put some boiled sweet corn. You can also put any veggies according to your taste. Now I am applying some water. You should apply water around the edges. That's the reason while applying the butter you should leave the edges. Now stick both sides like this. So here I have taken steel plate as a tray for my garlic bread. In that apply some butter and place butter paper and press it gently. And very gently place this garlic bread. Now using the knife, I am going to make sections or sticks on this garlic bread. So you no need to cut it through, just on the upper layer. And again apply some more butter mixture Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. This is our homemade oven setup. For this, take a pan or kadai. In that, add 250 grams salt and keep a stand and close the pan and preheating at medium flame for 10 minutes. Now place our garlic bread into pan and bake this at medium flame at 10 to 15 minutes. Now our garlic bread is ready. Now you can look at how cheesy it is.